So in this video, let's see how you can put your project on GitHub. So for putting it on GitHub, you need to use this .gitignore file. Inside it, you need to put the file which you don't want to put it on the GitHub. So I have put the node module. Why node module? Because node module is a very big file and it's going to contain all the libraries which is required in your project, which can be easily get by the npm I command, where whenever you want to use your project somewhere, you just write npm I, node module is going to create automatically, and .env file in which there is a sensitive data of your project is. Right. After this, you need to install the git bash. After git bash, and you need to use the default setting, next, and install it at your system. Right. And you require to have a GitHub account. Right. So you need to create a GitHub account. Right. So after doing this, what you will do, you will go into your backend project inside it, and then you need to open this git bash here. Once you install it, this option will be available at your screen. So once you are going to click on it, git bash, then you need to authorize it. So you need to follow these commands. First, you need to write git config hyphen global user dot name and the name, and git config hyphen global user dot email and the nidhi at the rate gmail if you are creating it first time. So you need to authorize it. You need to use the email address whichever you are going to which you are going to use in the GitHub account. Right. After that, you need to write. So after that, what you need to do is you are going to go in the GitHub. Inside the GitHub, at this plus sign, you are going to click and you are going to create a new repository. Right. You can give any names like to do backend, any name you can give. So let's say, and this is public, and then I'm going to create the repository. Right. After creating the repository, these are the all commands the GitHub is already given you what you need to write. Right. So first command is git init, which is going to create it is going to initialize the git in your folder. So if you are going to use git init, and then you are able to see in the backend, you are able to see this folder .git. Right. After that, you need to write the git add -a for adding all the files which is present. And then you can also check the status of your git. Right. So this is our status, right? Changes to be committed. Right. So now you need to commit it. So you can write, instead of first commit, you can write any message over here. Right. After that, you need to create a origin is just a name, right? So origin is just a name. You can give any name here. I'm using origin, and at this place you need to require this link you need to give. Right. And then press enter. So this origin has been created, and now you just need to push your files over here at the origin. And after pushing it, when you're going to refresh your page, you are able to see your project here. Thank you.